Ladies and gentlemen, many thanks for welcoming us. I'm Ronny from Wingtra, and I'm representing Wingtra, and will quickly show what we are doing. Wingtra is developing the next generation of professional drones for the mapping and surveying market. The company was founded in 2016 after 3 years of R&D. And a year later, we sold the first unit, and since then, we mainly focus on global expansion. Over the last year, we became an international company with distribution partners on 6 continents. Currently, we have a track record of more than 3,000 flights conducted from customers all over the world, with one of the 170 drones sold. All this was only possible by having a dedicated team of more than 60 Wingtranauts working on daily basis on improving the drone step by step. So what makes us special? The Wingtra comes with a brilliant resolution combined with ultra-high accuracy. Moreover, the fixed wing design allows large coverage, and the simple setup allows you to get airborne in no time. Let me quickly explain how it works. We take off vertically, hover up to transition altitude, and then transition into forward flight, cruise flight, where we collect the data. After accomplishment of the mission, we come back to land position, transition back again in hover, and land on the landing spot. As you can see on the slide. So I'll quickly go through 2 of the customer stories. For all of you interested in more, don't hesitate to visit us and read the blog. The first use case is a uranium mine in Namibia, where one of the customers had to collect all the data in a tight time frame, and they were able to get all data and still having super nice accuracy. Second one, my favorite one, a little bit special one. In Australia, wildlife monitoring, and this case due to the VTOL system, they were able to land and take off on the boat. Thank you. And in case I raise some interest, don't hesitate to approach us afterwards, and please follow the demo. Thank you.